Oy! Oy! Ayoko na. Huwag tayo maingay, no? Gabing-gabi na po, no? Lag? Ang nakakatamad, ah. Lag po, no? Oh, hindi na nasa napupunta. Laban. Yan pa. 3DS po, mga kaibigan, no? 3D po siya, pero hindi po siya talaga 3D, no? Shut up. Yung bakla, yung scientist. Laban na tayo, bakla. Next news. Come on, dalihan mo, dami magdaldal. Bla bla bla. Oh. Gay, gay. Laban daw, tapos biglang tumakbo. Gay. Ang bakla naman yung tunog nito. Ayan. Tama ba pinupuntahon ko? Route 4. Yay! Tama! Yan, no? 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 Oh, who the hell are you? Who the fuck? What is that shit? What is that shit? Do I even need that shit? Oh, if you open use dowsing machine, the habitat list and so on, why don't you... What? What the fuck? Shut the fuck up. What? Okay. Shut up. Nasaan yung bakla? Where's that? Oh my god, ang dami. Oh my god, how can I dodge this all? No choice. No choice. Fast forward natin, no? Pokemon, oh my god. Lol. Are you stupid? Sa'yo. Hour! No, hour! Yay! Ito pala, lalagyan ko nickname lahat ng Pokemon ko para cute. Yung isa lang meron eh. Si Lisa. No? Power. Galing kay... Ano ba galing? Ano ba galing yung pangalan niya? Power. Pikachu. Use Thunder Ball. Pika-Pink. Yung Pika-Blue nga. Yung Pika-Pink siya. Okay. Let's battle back game. Hindi ka na. CY at Sun. Dito muna ako, magre-record pa ako. No. Panoodin mo na lang. Send ko sa iyo yung ano. Basta. Like and subscribe. Oh my god. That was awesome. Oh my god, I forgot. Sorry, nakalimutan kong tanggalin yung fast forward. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I forgot to tell you, nandito si Diego kanina. Shoutout sa'yo. Paki-like na lang and subscribe. No? Love you. And then, ilang minutes na po tayo nag-record. And then, it's been 4 minutes, no? There we go. Colorless. Akala ko dati mabait yun eh. Tago din pala. Mic. Third gen. Wala third gen. kung kaya mong gawin sa brating ko. Let's go, Dragon Rage, kaibigan. Boom. Tayo. Maybe paralyze mo ako. Maybe to me. Saan Dragon Rage tayo. Fixin na natin to. Hyper Potion. Daya. Sa pa Dragon Rage ulit tayo mga kaibigan. What is that move? Hindi ko nakita. There we go. Yes, cure the paralysis. Let's go, Twister. That will finish it. There we go. It's not very effective, but I've killed it. Wow. Awesome. Level 26. Oh my god. Clink. Will you switch your Pokemon? Switch. Let's go, Carlo. No more even. Clink. Force palm natin. Papasok na ako mamaya. It's getting creepy out here. What is that money? Protein. You thought you're a kind person? I know you're working for Team Plasma, you bullshit. Now where I am? Oh yes, this part, I remember. Okay. Now where are we? Join Avenue. Mga kaibigan, naakyat lang ako. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung mga ingay na maririnig niya. Saglit lang to. Yes! So yun, makakapagsalita na ako na maayos. Nasa taas na ako. Sa kwarto ko. Ano daw sabi? I know it seems sudden, but will you manage them avenue for me? Yes. Sabihin na lang natin hi. Tapos, oh my god. So yung W. Hi. Hi. Alam niyo naman siguro kung susulat ko. Power! No, power. Ang lag, sorry. phone. Sir, it's okay. Sorry, but I have to go. I have to go to the next, gym to defeat Elise Nimbasa. Wait a minute, what the hell is happening in here? Oh wait! Sure. Rosa, it's Rosa. Oh my god. It's Rosa. Oh my god, so laggy. I'm so sorry. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll turn off my Wi-Fi now. There we go. Boldor. Okay, wrong one. Never mind then. Sturdy. Oh. Well, it's about time to get serious. Let's go, Lucario. Let's go. Lag talaga. Worst pa mo si Boldor. Gago. Gago. Tapos, nice one, Rosa. Oh my god, I think it crashed. Oh, ako na-crash na. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's lagging. It's lagging. Oh my god, what a bug. lang po muna mga kaibigan. Titigil ko sa lakuyan ko muna po titigil ang video. So, matagal na po. 15 minutes na po. No? Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Lalo sa'yo, Diego, kung nanood ka. Hanggang dito, pinanood mo. Salamat, no? Shoutout sa'yo, no? Idol. Sige, salamat po mga kaibigan. And as always, peace. See you at the next video.